I am Engineer Jovelyn Cababaan Cachopero, and I am PEO2 of DILG Iloilo Province, and I am more than 3 years as a civil engineer. There can be a pressure. Sometimes, kinanglan ko i-prove akon self kay syempre ako lang isang babae sa team. Instead of letting it intimidate me, I use it as a motivation nga mangin prepare well kag speak confidently. I remind myself ang mga ideas ko are just valuable as anyone else. Being underestimated kay syempre babae ako kag other may see as weak. Pero may times man nga I need to work twice as hard to gain the same recognition. Biases man sometimes, pero through consistency, competence, kag professionalism, slowly nagabag-o man ang perception sang kada isa. Kag ang abis ang iba, lalaki lang makakaya, pero without knowing nga kami mga babae, kaya man namon obrahon ang mga kaya sang mga lalaki. Women bring empathy, collaboration, attention to detail, and organized. Kabalo kami or kita nga mga babahi mag-multitask kag mag-handle sang team dynamics well. So diverse perspectives help us or help create better solutions kag ang balance sang different strengths makes the team stronger. Time management gid ang key. So ginag-set ko gid ang boundaries ko between my work and personal time. So after work hours, I try to focus on my family, my friends, and especially my self-care. So importante gid ang life balance para hindi kita dali-dali mag-burnout kag mas maging productive pag kita in the long run. So balance isn't about perfection, so it's about alignment with my goals and my well-being. Empowerment means having equal opportunities, equal respect, and equal voice in decision making. It means supporting other women and mentoring young girls who want to enter engineering field or gusto nila maging engineering man in the future. Kag ang breaking stereotypes nga proving that skills and intelligence are not defined by gender. And empowerment is not about competing with men, but about standing confidently beside them and to succeed without bias.